Boy Mateys, hey, a quick update on the exhaust mixer elbow and U that I had to replace on the sailboat here. Just a couple things that I figured out on this. Of course, the weakest point of this is the connector between the elbow and the U. That's what seems to rust out. Now the new part is stainless steel. And when you put this threading together, don't use a Teflon tape. You need to use a high heat resistant thread compound such as this. You know, and don't waste your time trying to salvage a part or two on this thing. It's just not worth the effort. I mean, just look at the corrosion that is on this thing. I talked to one guy who spent 10 hours cleaning out those threads. Looking at my old parts, I could see there were also some other little hairline cracks. To me, as long as I had it all taken apart, why not put all new in? It really wasn't that expensive in the overall scheme of things. Well, here are the new parts, and I pre-assemble them. You don't have room in the boat to put all that together. It's easier put it together top side here and then install it. The hardest part I had was making sure that the washer between the elbow and the engine stayed in place while I got the first couple of bolts in. After that, it was an easy fix. So don't be afraid of it. Better to do it ahead of time than wait like I did till I had to do it. Well, until next time, guys, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends.